Are you framing it?
Casual? Casual? No. That too flirty.
Overthinking it?
Okay, how about like this?
How's my hair?
Who's overthinking it now?
Bangs? No bangs. No bangs.
No bangs.
Welcome, No Strings Runners.
Hi guys.
Day 2 of daily vlogging.
Truth be told, we haven't even edited the first day.
We're gonna go do that after we shoot some content for today. What'd you think of our run today?
This is a journey into sound.
It's not normal behavior to jump out of a run to get gum, but it's not gonna be a good experience if my mouth is dry and I can't breathe. So, oh my God, I see him. We gotta sprint. We gotta sprint. I gotta try not to get hit by a car though. I'm taking a shortcut. I'm running in traffic. And we're back! 4 miles in. These guys are awesome. Why don't you meet them all?
Hey, what's up?
Short time joining the group. Super fun so far.
This is Jacob here. I'm a big time fan of No Strings Running. I love Leah and Steve. They're awesome. They have great running at Disneyland. Woohoo!
I'm just humbled by all the people coming. And the little one right there. I'm gonna put him in my pocket. All right, No Strings Running is awesome. We love Disneyland. Happy birthday, Leah! Woo!
Hello, I am Victor, and I've been running with No Strings Running for about 6-7 months now, and this is only the
Hi,
beginning.
I'm Janet, and I've been running with No Strings Running since earlier this year. This is my first distance run, and we're here for a good 6-mile run.
All right, the Olympic torch is coming. The Olympic torch. The Olympic torch.
Thanks, Victor. Yeah, we're so close. So close, I can smell it. I can taste it. I can smell it. Oh. Almost 7 miles, 8 people, 2 brand newbies, and the cool thing about it, we had a destination run today. It wasn't an out and back, and we went and had brunch for this one's birthday. Happy birthday! 25 years old. It's amazing. She's grown up so fast right before our eyes. So we had 8 people, 2 of whom were new runners to us today.
I know, I think that was one of the coolest things to me is that 2 strangers felt 100% okay to come to a meetup and then be stuck having breakfast with them and have to figure out and negotiate the getting back to the park.
What if we were duds? They like committed fully.
The beauty of the running community. Total strangers can all come together.
That was like my favorite part, is that we had 2 brand newbies and they felt comfortable enough to run with these crazy weirdos.
I think for me, that going into today's run, I had, I don't know, like I've never celebrated my birthday, and I've never liked to host events or parties. I've never like thrown a party because you get like this weird expectation that you have to like create fun for people.
Yeah.
And I get so nervous about that. So today, going into today's run, it was so awesome to have such a great turnout, and then it turned out because.
And this is why I love you, because you worry about other people. It's her birthday and she's worried about it. Is everybody having a good time?
Well, it just is what it is. But
Yeah.
thank you. So I do want to say something about that because
The floor is all yours. I'll even get out of the shop.
no, I need you here. It totally made me think about expectations, and we arrived at the restaurant today, and the restaurant we were going to, one of the reasons why we decided to do a destination run as opposed to what we normally do in some sort of loop around the parks. We wanted to go there because they have a really fun band that plays for Sunday brunch. And I thought, you know, we're going into this thing of daily vlogging, and it will be good content because there's this band, and we got there, and I was like disappointed because first of all, they weren't there. They did eventually show up like an hour late, but then the singer wasn't there. So then I was like thinking, is everybody having a good time?
Yeah,
So
like, we're promising Apollo Bebop. They do like old school hip hop in a jazz fashion. They're just really awesome band, and they were still awesome even though it was just the four of them with no singer. But like she said, we were promising like this band is amazing.
It really made me think about. I was disappointed for a minute, but I had no reason to be disappointed. I was just so stoked that so many people showed up. But the disappointment I felt was for other people maybe not having such a good time. And then it kind of made me think about the walls and like bigger scale of families planning trips here, and it's their one time that they all get to come together and you know, rides are shut down.
Mainstreet is completely walled off right now because of redoing the track.
But there's so much magic to be had here, and when you're trip planning, I think everyone out there has known well in advance that, well, they're building Pixar Pier, but Paradise Pier would be shut down completely. So in your trip planning, they knew that, but did they know Dumbo was going to be down? Did they know
Casey Jr.
train?
No fireworks until I think the middle of March when all the track is done. That's the thing, is we couldn't even find information about when the walls were coming down on Main Street.
Yeah.
So if you're planning your trip a year in advance, which we've done before, you might not know that information. And then you get here and you're like, oh bummer, like none of the horses are out, there's walls everywhere, we can't do this ride, we can't do that ride. And it all ties back into managing expectations.
So much magic to be had here.
Totally.
So I think that's kind of what sparked the managing your expectations. It was just like a feeling that I felt today, and we're gonna go have fun in the parks.
So guys, remember, like, come run with us because we run. Shh. Come run with us because we run Disney. There was a baby Tarzan.
I didn't. I've never noticed that. It's like if you're just breezing through here. Who knew?
Did you know there was a jaguar?
I mean, he started somewhere, right?
Did you know there was a jaguar that yelled at you?
this week as we show you all the magic of the park.
We've served it up right here.
Oh, right. Okay. That's the subscribe button.
Right over there.
See that little thing down there?
See it over there? Oh my God. Subscribe right there.